street, we've got the time machine, and we've got the City Hall Tower.
We are in Brno, Czech Republic. We are here for the Ampere trade fairs between the 21st of March till the 23rd of March 2023. There are going to be about 400 exhibitors from 24 different countries.
And here is the summary of the event.
So this is, from my point of view, very innovation on the market, because you cannot find similar tool like this on the market.
It's nowinka.
Novinka, right?
Today's technology, there's not just one signal, but there are buses and interference, so it's very important to catch signals that only happen from time to time. So you need to acquire billions of samples and test for example, for these specific regions where the signal is not supposed to be. And if it only happens once an hour, you want to make sure that this event gets triggered and acquired.
What happens when the power goes off? It freezes. Nothing happens. It should not drop.
So what is, let's say, very beneficial for the customer is that everything is modular. So they can really complete and set the solution based on their demand. We are very flexible in that.
Okay, so their imagination and your solution makes the final product.
Exactly.
Okay, great, I like it.
For example, you have this kind of turbine assembly or turbine service, or you have to go up the stairs, or you have to go up the ladder. You should bring the tools with you, and this is exactly durable, and it has a special durable bottom that is very stable. You can put it into the moisture or water, and the tools will still be safe inside. You know?
There is no key.
Yeah, I know. Do you know the reason for it? It's us. We are the reason they don't put the key in.
This is for electricity storage. For when you to the generation stations, you need to store the energy. You will be use this kind of connectors. So it's also the products we want to promote in this year and also in the future.
We will eventually get to the point where robots will be smart as us, and we are still far, but not that far, I think.
We need to prepare.
And we already need to speak about it. We need also the culture about it, and we need also art dealing with this problem.
When you look at it, it's quite relaxing. Yeah. You can look all day. It's like fish in a tank.
One of the best things about trade fairs is that you can hear the first-hand stories from our partners, their experience, and those things that you cannot find on the internet. And one more thing is that they bring the innovations into their stand.
Absolutely, and you know what's even better? That my first-hand experience with those guys, the Czech office crew, they were so great.
Wonderful, guys. Wow, another event has come to an end.
Ampere 2023 was an amazing event. We met face-to-face with our business partners.
We heard their stories, we saw their products, and we learned a lot. Hope you too. See you next time.